Current Build Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? Current Build Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? In the rapidly evolving world of digital banking and fintech, Current has carved out a niche for itself as a mobile-first banking solution offering fast access to funds, cashback rewards, and budgeting tools. But in 2025, with so many alternatives available, is the Current Build account actually worth your time? Or should you leave it for a more traditional or feature-rich option? In this in-depth review, we'll break down everything you need to know, from fees and benefits to real-world usage, so you can make a confident decision. Step 1. What is Current Build? Current Build is a premium account offering from Current, a fintech company known for its mobile-first banking solutions. Unlike a standard Current account, Current Build is designed for users who want extra benefits like faster direct deposits, cashback, and enhanced tools for managing money. Key details in 2025. Account type: mobile first checking account monthly fee: $5, $10 depending on tier direct deposit: early access to paychecks up to 2 days in advance cashback: up to 15% at select merchants debit card: Visa with contactless payments budgeting tools: real-time notifications, savings pods, and automatic transfers. Current Build combines financial flexibility with the convenience of a mobile app, positioning itself as a modern alternative to traditional checking accounts. Step 2. Fees and costs: understanding fees is crucial when evaluating any banking product. For Current Build, monthly fee: $5 for basic build, $10 for premium tiers ATM fees: $0 at in-network ATMs, up to $2.50 for out-of-network, reimbursed up to a certain limit on higher tiers overdraft protection: available via cash advance feature foreign transaction fees: no foreign transaction fees on debit card purchases. Compared to traditional banks, Current Build keeps costs relatively low, especially when you factor in fee reimbursements and no minimum balance requirements. Step 3. Direct deposit and early access: one of the standout features of Current Build is early access to paychecks. Users can receive paychecks up to 2 days early via direct deposit. This can be crucial for budgeting and covering bills before the official payday. Example: if your paycheck normally arrives on Friday, with Current Build it could hit your account as early as Wednesday. This feature is especially beneficial for freelancers, gig workers, or anyone with fluctuating income who needs cash flow flexibility. Step 4. Cashback and rewards: Current Build offers a unique reward system. Up to 15% cashback at select merchants, including popular retailers and food delivery services. Cashback is applied instantly to your account, not as points you have to redeem. Some merchants may rotate quarterly, so it's worth checking the app regularly. Example: you spend $100 at a participating grocery store with 15% cashback. $15 is instantly credited back to your account over a year. This can add up to hundreds in savings if you consistently use the card at participating merchants. Step 5. Budgeting and money management tools: Current Build comes with a robust suite of financial tools. Real-time notifications: alerts for every transaction, helping you avoid overdrafts. Savings pods: sub-accounts for earmarking money for bills, goals, or emergencies. Automated transfers: set recurring transfers to savings pods or external accounts. Spending insights: monthly reports and categorization of expenses. For users who struggle with budgeting or want more visibility into their finances, these tools are highly practical. Step 6. Debit card and payment features: the Current Build debit card is designed for convenience and safety. Contactless payments: tapped pay feature for speed and hygiene. Fraud monitoring: instant alerts on suspicious activity. Card locking: temporarily disable the card if lost via the app. Additionally, there's no minimum balance requirement, making it accessible for students or users just starting to build financial habits. Step 7. Customer experience and support. Current is a mobile-first platform, so support is primarily digital. An app chat: quick responses to account issues or questions. Email support: for non-urgent inquiries. Phone support: limited hours, more robust for premium tiers. Most users report positive experiences with ease of use, while some note that phone support can be slower compared to traditional banks. Step 8. Real-world example. Consider a freelance designer, Mia, who gets paid irregularly and often needs access to funds quickly. She signs up for Current Build with direct deposit. Her paycheck is available 2 days early, allowing her to pay rent without using a credit card. She uses her debit card at participating retailers, earning cashback on her regular expenses. Mia sets up savings pods for taxes and equipment purchases, making budgeting stress-free. After several months, Mia has saved hundreds in cashback rewards and avoids overdraft fees due to real-time alerts, showing the practical benefits of Current Build for someone with variable income. Step 9. Pros of Current Build. Early direct deposit: crucial for cash flow management. Cashback rewards: instant rewards at popular merchants. Mobile first experience: intuitive app with budgeting tools. Low or no fees: affordable monthly fee, no minimum balance. Security features: instant alerts, card lock-in, and fraud monitoring. Step 10. Cons and limitations. Limited physical branch access: fully digital banking may not suit everyone. Monthly fee: some users may prefer completely free accounts. Customer service: phone support is limited compared to traditional banks. Cashback restrictions: high cashback rates only at select merchants. Step 11. Who should consider Current Build? Freelancers, gig workers, or anyone with irregular income. Users who want mobile-first banking with advanced budgeting tools. People looking for simple cashback rewards without tracking points. Individuals who want early access to paychecks for better cash flow. Step 12. Who might want to skip it? Those who prefer in-person banking or branch access. Users who want unlimited or broader cashback categories. Individuals who rarely use apps for financial management. Step 13. Alternatives in 2025. Chime spending account: no fees, early direct deposit, automatic savings, but no high cashback. SoFi checking and savings: 1.5% APY, ATM fee reimbursements, and mobile tools. Current Premium: higher cashback rates and additional perks for a slightly higher monthly fee. Depending on priorities, these alternatives may be preferable for users who prioritize interest earnings or completely fee-free accounts. Step 14. User reviews and feedback. Positive feedback highlights early direct deposit and ease of budgeting. Some users complain about limited customer support and high cashback restrictions. Overall, satisfaction is high for users who embrace mobile-first banking. Step 15. Conclusion. So, is Current Build worth it in 2025? If your priority is a modern, mobile-first account that provides early paycheck access, instant cashback, and powerful budgeting tools, Current Build delivers strong value. The fees are reasonable, the rewards are easy to understand, and the mobile app makes managing money convenient and transparent. However, if you need physical branches, broader cashback options, or more robust phone support, other fintech or traditional bank accounts might be better suited. Ultimately, for tech-savvy users who want flexibility, financial visibility, and faster access to funds, Current Build is a solid, worthwhile option in 2025.